Listen to this one. A guava can never be polite because it says Amrud. I meant Amrud. The common guava, Psidium guajava, is a small tree native to Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and northern South America. Their fruits are oval in shape with light green or yellow skin and contain edible seeds. Guavas are used to make jams, jellies, and juices. Native to tropical and subtropical regions, guava is the fourth most important fruit tree in India. The hardy and drought-tolerant tree starts producing fruits within 3 to 4 years if it's grown through the modern methods of grafting or layering. But it may take up to 8 years if grown through seeds. In India, you can cultivate guava throughout the year. But the most appropriate time for planting, according to Indian gardeners, is the monsoons from June to September. Another favorable planting time is during the spring season from February to March. We brought this sapling from a nursery and placed it in a grow bag. In 2 years' time, we have good flowering and hopefully we'll see some fruit soon. Avoid propagating through direct seed sowing. It prefers a warm and sunny location. To thrive, once established, it becomes hardy to high temperatures and drought conditions. The plant adapts well in all kinds of soil, but it does good in a well-draining sandy loam to clay loam soil. It is a completely no-fuss tree. The young plants need evenly moist soil, but you may reduce the rate of watering during winters and monsoons, as overwatering will invite fungal diseases. Guava fruits are amazingly rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. This remarkable nutrient content gives them many health benefits. However, eating too much of guava can be bad for your digestion. The white-fleshed guava is high in antioxidants and the pink-fleshed variety is even higher. Pink guava is pulpier and has more water content and is less sweet compared to white guava, which has less water content, is richer in vitamin C and sugar. Fruit juices are made more from pink guava. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehome.com. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.